This video will go over how to create what's called a marketing list using our search tools and how to create road routes out of those new marketing lists. So I'm going to start with the fact that I already have points on the map that I've already imported through the plot data button. At the very top of the program, you're going to see a tool that has shapes with binoculars. We have a radius search tool, we have a polygon search tool, a freeform area, as well as a drive time polygon tool. And any of these can be used to search for data within a given area. So if I'd like, I can start with my polygon tool, and I can just start clicking on my map and include all of the customers that I'd like to create for one marketing list. Once I come back to the beginning, the program asks me what type of data I'm looking for within that area. Am I looking for zip codes to create a territory, or in this case, am I looking to create a marketing list out of my customer points? I'm going to just call this today's route. Now we have a subset of our greater list. We have 18 locations. We could even change their symbol if we wanted to, so that those stick out. We could export those, and we could use them as for routing purposes. If I want to route all of those locations all at once from today's route, I can click on this button within the data window with a little car, and it'll add them all to my route window. This route window can also be obtained at the top with this car. I can reorder them if I'd like. I can change the order. I can also just click this route button, and it'll calculate going through all of those locations in an optimized manner. I could also, if I wanted to, I could click on this button here and manually type in a location that I'd like to visit. I'll go ahead and delete that route and start on my next day's list. Close my data window, and I'll click on the shape and I'll delete it. So next I'm going to use a different search tool at the top, and this time maybe I do my freeform area. And I'll just create a circle around these. Once I come back to the beginning, once again it asks me what data I'm looking for. I'll give it a marketing list name. Call it tomorrow's route, and then I'll change my symbol to something else. And I can just keep continuing on with this. I can even use my drive time polygon at the top. Grab this bottom tool. I'll start at a given location, and I want to grab everything within, let's go 10 miles. Search data. Once again, what am I looking for? Customer list. I have a list of 6. And I'll change that to a different symbol. Click on the edge of the shape to select it, and then click delete, and it goes away. So now you'll see I have different routes on my map created, and they can designate different days. You'll see in my legend that I have Friday's route, today's route, tomorrow's route, and if I click up in my data window, then from my pull down list I can see all of my individual routes. They're essentially lists, and then from those lists I can create those routes. And once again, all of those are exportable. If you have any questions, please let us know, and have a great day.